Hello and good morning. How are you all, my dear students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine. I'm your science teacher, Miss Gul, and it's the revision video of unit number 7 and 8 of your science book. Unit number 7 is the measuring instrument and the unit number 8 is the electricity. So let's revise the unit number 7, measuring instruments. We all know things are of different sizes, weight and length. We measure things in different ways. The scientists measure things using measuring instruments. What are measuring instruments? The machines that are used to measure things are called measuring instruments. It is important to use the right instrument to measure things accurately. In this unit, we can measure length, weight, time, temperature and liquid. For measuring length, the instruments are used to measure the length and the distance are ruler, meter rod and the measuring tape. Measuring weight. These are the machines used to measure the weight. Weighing machine, electronic balance, kitchen scale and two-pen balance. Measuring time. These instruments are used to measure the time. Digital clock, wristwatch, pendulum clock, analog clock and stopwatch. Measuring temperature. The instrument used to measure the temperature is thermometer. Yes, through which we measure the temperature. Measuring liquid. We measure liquids such as water, milk and oil in cups, beakers and other containers. Next is unit number 8, electricity. Electricity is a form of energy. It helps us to do many tasks. We use electricity to light our streets, homes and our other buildings. We use electricity to power devices in our homes. Electricity makes our lives easier. We must not waste it. Main electricity is produced in a power station. It is brought to your house through thick wires called cables. The electricity is very powerful. All electric things in your house can run on this. Electricity can be dangerous. Never play with electrical equipment or wires. Never poke things into electric socket or touch bare wires. Never touch plug or electrical equipment with wet hands. Batteries and cells. Batteries and cells are used to store electricity. The batteries and the cells are used in remote controls, flashlight, toys, clock, radios and calculators. Some large batteries are used in automobiles. Do you know who invented the first electric bulb? Yes, Thomas Edison, an American inventor, invented the first electric bulb in 1879. It's the picture of the scientist Thomas Edison. He invented many things we use today like the microphones. He became successful because he kept working hard and did not give up. Okay, it's the homework. Write the keywords 2 times on your science test copy. The keywords of the unit number 7 are length, weight, temperature, time and liquid. And the keywords of unit number 8 are mains, batteries, dangerous, electrical and wires. Hope you enjoyed the revision video of science. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.